today we're gonna be opening. Sophia, my sister Sophia, is gonna be opening up some toys today. Actually, only 2 toys, but they're really cool. One is the Spy Gear. It's a Spy Go action camera. It can record. So if people know that this is like a sprayer, this is actually a camera. I can take photos of people and that stuff, so it can work. So, and we have the next item my sister will love. And where did we get this item for? We get it from Samko and Miko Toy Warehouse.
And I also choose mine. And I got a bowl. You know why? Because there's no bowl.
If you're like, why is there no bowl? You should just like look at it for a bit, and you're gonna go like, oh, that's why there's a bowl. I didn't know that for a second. So, my sister's gonna be opening up today. My sister's gonna be opening up right now.
I'm gonna open this one first, my Spy Gear, because I'm gonna get my hand gluing on there, and I want my glue to do. Yeah. Okay, let's start opening it. And so you can mind helping me in the honor.
Sure. And on my next video, I'm not gonna spoil all the 3 toys I choose.
Yeah.
So you guys, comment down below if you want to see some different toys. I picked up a lot of cool toys. My sister picked
And
up.
if you remember that video, when we went shopping, this is all the toys when we went there. And make sure you stop this video and go ahead to watch that video.
Okay,
I'm gonna help open
nails.
Fine.
Here, right over here. See? Ooh, let's catch a bullet, does it? And Sophia is so excited.
I got something.
Wait, can I like hold it?
Ooh, and here's our remote.
Right there. Look at that.
I'm gonna put this.
What you gotta do? You gotta maybe like do a little. If you want to tape a video, here's some buttons. This takes pictures. Look at your pictures. This one like takes pictures, and this one takes the video, which you could spy on your friends if you wanted to. I might do that if I wanted to. And we have this little cool. Oh, I get this thing. This is the wristband.
Yeah, it is.
So we gotta add this like to everywhere. We gotta add this.
So I got mine everywhere.
Oh, that's so cool. You get to add it maybe to this spy gadget. This, you can put it on your head. You put it on your head, and what happens is that it's gonna record if someone's spying on you. You gotta do it like this.
Yeah, that's what I do. And then like
and that like records, so you're allowed to do this if you wanted to. And you do this. I'm recording.
I want to put it on my head.
So it's getting pretty difficult, so I'm just gonna look how it looks. So Sophia, how you're gonna put that on your head. I think this one goes first because of the Spy Gadget logo. If you had some of these Spy Gadget, comment down below, please. I want to know if these are really valuable or really like if you want to go. This looks like a sprayer, but it's actually a camera or taking pictures. So I'm kind of liking this, you know. It can record like on the front.
Wait, it's the other way.
No, it isn't.
Yeah, I want it to be on the other way.
Oh, she wants to do it on the other way because, you know what? She can record on the front maybe. She can maybe record on the front, but it always goes on the side. So it's recording on the side.
So what button do I put?
That one is the picture. That one takes the video. She did it. So, what she has here is the activator.
I'm gonna open it right now.
And I think we have like the instructions. If you want to read, pause the video to see. Right there.
The glue.
So,
Or like the activator.
and you get the paintbrush.
Oh, I got the red one.
What? This is clear glue. This looks so.
I'm so excited. Let's get the bowl. I'm ready.
Let me put the clear glue, and you can you put the activator? Just smash that thumbs up button in if you're liking the video, and welcome if you're not part of the High Five family. And hope you like it. Oh, can I do some?
Yeah. god. Oh my god, my table's moving.
And that is it.
Yeah, so we can
And now I'm gonna be pouring some activator. Wait.
You got it. You got it.
Can you rip it open? My sister's gonna rip it open. I'm gonna put it like in this bottle, this little cap bottle, because it's way too big.
Put it in here.
No, can we just like put it in here? No, Sophia, I have a great idea. You stir it and then I'll add some activator, and when it looks sticky and ready, you're gonna say it's done. I don't know how strong this thing is. I think that's enough. Is that enough?
No, I think I need a tiny bit more.
Ooh, can I feel it? Ooh, that doesn't feel ready. It looks ready.
A tiny bit, that's enough.
That's maybe way more than enough because you could stir.
Let me feel it.
Oh!
It's working.
So we're gonna be adding like, this is like orange or something.
Okay, this is like taking so long.
This isn't, oh! No.
You know what?
I think you're done. Wait, can I add some bit more activator? Yeah. You can feel it.
That's enough, that's enough.
Add that. This activator, we just use a little bit of drops and we still have leftovers. So maybe we can use it for our other slime videos if we get more slime. So we're gonna try to open this up. I'm gonna try to.
Whoa, this is like awesome.
Wait, can I feel it? Oh.
But we need more mixing.
Oh, it's sticky.
Ew, you're putting it on my hand.
Oh wait, look at that, people. If you're watching this, this is so sticky slime.
Can you give me one napkin?
You get your napkin. Oh
my god.
Just slime.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, the box fell, but we got the paintbrush. I'll stir it this time while you put the paint in. I think that's enough.
No, we need a whole bunch.
You know what?
I'm gonna mix it up.
No, we should both mix it up. We need both to power.
Cool.
Now it's adding like more.
More.
No, that's it. Look.
We need more.
Smash that like button, hit that bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and welcome again. And if you haven't seen this whole video, stop the video, go to the first part, and we just talked about some stuff. And this is actually turning out some good slime.
I'm gonna try it with my hand right now.
She's gonna try it with her hand. I'm gonna keep on stirring. Oh, Sophia's hands are sticky. I think that's not that good. We need to make it a bit more better. So we're gonna add that a little bit more. Let me stir it, maybe. That is big activator everywhere.
Oh, you're making it so sluggy.
Sluggy, I know. But this is better. Juggly, it's juggy slime. Oh, this is so weird, but it's cool at the same time. It doesn't. Oh, it's like Jello slime, everyone. So I think we're gonna end the video here. If you did, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never ever miss a video. And we'll see you all next time.
Next video, we're gonna show you how the slime works.
And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.